think, Jake?
I'm gonna think we're gonna kill him.
All right, let's go get him.
What?
What's the update? What are we doing today?
We're shooting some turkeys with D. Bronson Lasley, owner of Happiest Hours Outdoor Podcast and Company and Co.
These are my partners in business.
Yeah. This is where it all starts. This is gonna be one of those early gem videos that you're gonna find on Bronson's page that not a lot of people are gonna know about, and this is a pretty special day for me. First turkey, hopefully.
That's right. All right, let's do it.
Just got set up. They're coming in. Decoys are right there. First turkey. It's gonna be wet. It's gonna get western. Raise your gun. Slowly. Don't shoot. Make sure they're clear of each other, okay? Alright, shoot that one.
Nice shot, dude. Nice shot. Let's go, kid. All right, make sure your safety's on. You can unload. You're good. Let's go, Jake. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, Jake. Let's hear about how the hunt went.
That was pretty good. It was a pretty short hunt. You know, called this Tom in. Bronson Lasley called this Tom in. Right next to the decoys. Shot this thing 10 to 15 yards. I mean, textbook. Can't ask for any better. Come look at this bird. We got the
good beard on him.
Good beard.
Good beard. Let's see the spurs. Old bird. Been fighting.
The other one's broken.
The other one's broken off. Tell us about how it all happened after we left the truck and what was going on. Where we glassed them from, and then
walked up to this hill. Had a couple options. We had turkeys on either side of the hill. Heard some coming up, so we chose to sit behind this tree and wait for them to come up the hill. They got closer and closer. Got up to the hill. They were right here. This one was a pretty smart birdie. He was looking around. It took him a second.
They came right up to here and hung up for a second.
Came right into the decoys. He had a Jake behind him and just got ready, took the shot, and now we're harvesting. So.
And what do you think, Dom? Tell us about why we put the decoys this way.
I don't know.
Well, Tom decoy, real wings and fan, painted to look like a Rio DSD hen. Did the trick. Hung up, came all the way down, challenged him this time of year. They're pretty aggressive, chasing hens and chasing each other around. Real good bird, Jake's first bird, and now we're gonna throw him in the Stone Glacier and pack him out.
gotta thank God. I don't know what today's kinda high. No barking from the dog, no small. And my
Review on the turkey nuggets.
I got the Chick-fil-A sauce, but I think Chick-fil-A needs to step up their game with the chicken nuggets.
The crunch. A little bit of spice in there.
Mm.
Makes me smile, makes me happy.
Makes me happy, makes me smile.